Guys, back to another video, and this video we're going to show you how to select your companion. So to select your companion, first thing you need to go to your roster. So on your roster now, depending on your level, you will have this and this. I have to get to level 13 on my account to unlock this, but to get your A1 companion, you will just click here. Now I have 5 vessels, as you can see. Now this is a tip on selecting your companion. You do not want to select the same type of character, like the same type of fighter twice. Like for this now, I have Neko as my main, and then I have Blue, the nature version, which is with the blue glowing on, as the companion. Why do I do this? My playstyle right now, I'm going for more of speed, which is why I'm using Neko. She's fast.
That's really fast.
I'm using a companion who has a lot of strength and brute force, which is why I selected him. Now, if you feel like your playstyle fits more of Mecha, you can say Mecha, maybe use your Inu or Neko as your second combo, because do not use the same roster, so just sort of negate the old purpose. Yeah, basically just doing the same thing 2 times and they don't like offset each other. You get it? Yeah, so feel free to pick any. Also, depending on who you are using on community, you can see certain team synergies would enable, which means like now I'm using Blue Nature, which means I have this team synergy of perfect score, and I also have Amulet's blessing because of Neko that is in my team. I can see certain things will enable for it. Like for Blue now, I have increased the damage of the 10 stack resets that applies to the team, and also have some subjects buff which will enable because of that. So yeah guys, go and enable your companion. It's very important. It changes your game, it changes your game, so do that. You can enable more team synergies by changing your your companion, your automa. So I'm going to remove this, replace it with this, and if we go to the team synergy, you can see that this has changed now. I have double on this. So depending on what you want, this team synergy has increased. Now depending on what you want, we will go back to change it again.
Just like adventure.
Replace with this. You can see like it's going to change. So depending on what you want is how you should deploy it. So let's swap it.
Tremble before me. Make it worth my
Let's remove
while.
this and swap
It's
with
go
this.
time.
You can see it changes. So depending on what you want and what you need, go and change. But always make sure you have
Make it
a
worth my
companion
while.
or automa with
It's
you
go
at all
time.
times. Yeah. And so also I should know that this is based on personal perspective, personal preference. So see you guys in the next video.